Hello everyone, this is Anjali Gandhi from the Wheel of Momentum. So today I have come to explain to you a very important part of Vastu. We always talk about unbalanced in northeast, not balanced southwest, open southwest, toilet in the northeast, kitchen in the northeast, so many things we discuss. But why don't we talk about Brahmasthan, which is the most important part of your Vastu, most important part of your house. And where is Brahmasthan? The center of your house. Just like you have your Nabhi in the center, your navel. If your navel is disturbed, your whole body is disturbed. Gastric problems, acidity problems, digestion issues. Then you have mood. Your mood is not so good. Your stomach will pain. Means you're gone for a toss. In the same way, if your Brahmasthan is disturbed, your entire Vastu goes for a toss. So how do we just arrange our Brahmasthan? Brahmasthan is a place which should always be empty. Khulla, bilkul spacious Brahmasthan. It should be empty totally. No cluster, no nothing, no kitchen, no bathroom, nothing. It should always be a little raised, thoda ऊंचा होना चाहिए Brahmasthan than the rest of the house. There are many Vedic remedies if your if your Brahmasthan is disturbed. There are many Vedic remedies. There are also energy Vastu yantras which can be placed and the Brahmasthan can be balanced. So when we talk about Brahmasthan, the problem started. This Brahmasthan ka Vastu is not from today. It is right from the ages of Mahabharata. In fact, if I tell you, Mahabharat bhi ek tarah se the war was because of a disturbed Brahmasthan. Lord Krishna wanted to win the victory of the good over the bad. So what did he do? He convinced the Kauravas to make the water body in the center of their house, the home, the palace where they were staying. Center of their house, he made them dig a water body. You can say water body, you can say a swimming pool or a pond or whatever it was, wherein Duryodhan slipped and fell, and Draupadi laughed, and Draupadi said, "Andhe ka beta andha." We all know it started right from that fall. He fell on the water body which was in the Brahmasthan. So see, one Brahmasthan may unbalance or problem led to a historic war, right? So a lot of yantras are available to balance your Brahmasthan, but those of you who have a big house or who can manage, you all just need to declutter. Don't make your Brahmasthan too much of clutter. There should be no toilet in the Brahmasthan. There should be no kitchen in the Brahmasthan, and if there is one, get it balanced. Tata.